Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the Doogee S40 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device, so actually how to manage it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the accounts, which should be somewhere here. So let me find it. Here we've got the accounts. I'm so sorry, I'm so blind. So let's tap on accounts, and as you can see here we've got our previously added Google account. So let's begin with removing it. So in order to remove the account, just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, actually it is this simple. I do not have any screen lock, and if you will have one set, then probably you will be asked to enter it to confirm the whole step. So if we've just removed the Google account, we can add new one. Of course, previously you also added because you can have plenty of accounts saved. But let me tap on add account, choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, let's tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the information about the backup and storage info, so simply tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your Doogee S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.